This is how Mr. Beast proved that YouTube growth is not luck and a really good hunch as to who he helped. So he put out a tweet that said, "I started counseling a small YouTuber for fun, and here's a monthly before and after." Now when I first saw this, I thought, wow, he took a YouTuber from 0 to 24,000. That's amazing. Well, that's a pretty good month, pretty good whatever time frame, but take a look at this month. $403,000. He 10x'd the views from 4 million to 45 million. That doesn't come by an accident. That comes through someone who is helping you, who reaches 80% retention as a goal. Things like that. Things that Mr. Beast, the top of the line, does. And I want to tell you, who is this? Who is this person here? Well, if we take a look at Social Blade here, which is not totally accurate for revenue, but if we take a look at the views count and the subs. Now, why this guy? Why Matthew Beam? Well, it's at this point he skyrockets up, like massively, getting into the tens of millions of views each month, 100,000, 300,000 subscribers. And he's also a channel that has a similar vibe as Mr. Beast does. So that's a perfect candidate to help him grow and push things along. If you have someone that's willing to put in the work and the drive and the power, as The Rock says, and then you have someone who knows how to make that style, that is seriously a recipe for success. And if you want to grow your YouTube channel, subscribe to this one right here, because that's what I do with every video. Help you get monetized, make money, grow a channel. Check out the video on your screen here of things to not do on your channel. I'm Austin. Thank you for watching.